This is a very simple design. It's a two-layer sleeve M. You can see what I have. This is the final result of the sleeve. I use a tweed fabric in between my senator fabric. The sleeve in itself, it's a three-quarter length, which is like around 17 inches, three-quarter sleeve. So this is my first sleeve. I already cut this out just in case you don't know how to cut your sleeve. I have several videos on that. So you have to cut your length. The sleeve in itself is going to be very wide on my arm. It's not going to be fitted at all. Just somewhere before your wrist, that's where the sleeve is going to be. So on this, the sleeve here in itself is 14 inches, and I'll be adding an extra 3 inches to that to make it 17. So under that 3 inches is where I'm going to be having my layers in itself. So you measure your sleeve, I have 14. If you can do your sleeve in any way. Even the design can be due for a long sleeve. You understand? You can do it on the wrist of a long sleeve. You can do it on the a short sleeve, and you can do it on the three-quarter, right? So the first thing we are going to be doing is to be cutting our extension, which is the extension of the sleeve, which is the 3 inches we're going to be adding to the sleeve in itself, right? So you just fold your fabric and get a 3 inches double fold. You can see is double fold already. So all you have to do is just to double fold the fabric, just like so. You can see what I have here. So get your double fold. You can see I have my 3.5 inches. That's the wideness that I'll be cutting. And the length is going to be the length of the sleeve right here in itself. You can see that. You can see what I have. So after cutting this is the extension that I'll be cutting to this. So you remember the sleeve is going to be 2, yeah? So because the sleeve is going to be 2, that means you're going to be cutting 2 of this. 2 of this. So you see what I have? That's the extension. Just double fold like that, and I'll be folding the second one as well. 3.5 inches, which is the 0.5 of it is for the sewing allowance, joining it to the sleeve, right? So I'm going to calculate that 3.5 as well, and the sleeve length in itself. So I'm going to cut this one out as well. So right here, so I'm just going to like cut it out. So after cutting it out, we have our complete sleeve, just like so. So we have the 2 extension for the sleeve in itself. I'm going to mark the wrong and the right side of the fabric. You can see, and once I do that, the next thing is to take it to the ironing table. And in between it, I'm going to put my hemming gum in order to make sure it's as flat and crisp as possible. So you just take it to the ironing table, layer your hemming gum in the middle, then you're going to fold it up and simply iron it. Make sure it's as crisp and it's as flat as possible. I'm going to iron the two layer. I'm going to go and iron it. Then we're going to attach it to our sleeve. So right here, you can see I already ironed this, and you can see how flat the fabric come out. So after that, the next thing is to also cut the layer for which is the tweed fabric that I will be using, which is going to be the different shade. You can see what I have. I already cut it as well, the same length, and I already put gum in between, and I already iron it. So now the next thing is to take it to the sewing machine. You're going to lay it flat down like this. Make sure you're stitching on the right side of the fabric. I'm going to place this on top. You can see that. And I'm going to place my extension on top of that. You can see that as well, just like so. And all I have to do is just to stitch it all the way down, then turn it back up, just like so. And our sleeve is done. You can see it's a very simple design. Depending on how wide you want that exposure to be, it can be just very tiny, it can be wide, and it can be whatever you want. So after sewing, this is the final result, as you can see right here. You see, this is the final result. I'm going to trim out the edges, and I'm going to attach the sleeve to the borders in itself. So it's going to be like around 3/4 of my body, of my sleeve. You can see just a bit of design because I use the tweed fabric in itself to design the top as well, to design the upper layer that is going to be on top of the top, because it's 3 pieces outfit. So that's going to like pop the design itself. So this is the final results. Take it to the ironing table, iron it with the edges, then attach it to your sleeve. It's as simple as A, B, and C. If you like this tutorial, make sure you give the video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to the channel if you are yet to subscribe to the channel. That will be about it on this one. You can follow me on Facebook at Stock Clothing. You can follow me on YouTube at Stock Clothing. You can follow me on Instagram at Stock Clothing. And I will see you on the next one. Peace. Do have a lovely rest of the day. Bye.